One day, Lord Krishna saw one of his friends playing a flute. A soft smile touched his lips, and at that moment, he wished for a flute of his own. But not just any flute, one that was truly worthy. By the banks of the Yamuna River, many bamboo trees stood tall, reaching proudly towards the sky. But one bamboo tree was different. It bent low, quiet and unnoticed. It had been standing in the flowing water for years, on one leg, as if deep in meditation. This bamboo was not lazy or broken, it was performing tapasya, deep austerities. Just like sages who stand in the sun, in rain, silently praying for the Lord's grace. The villagers didn't see its greatness. They wanted only straight, tall bamboo, so they ignored the one who bowed down. But Krishna sees the heart. He walked gently along the river, searching not for the tallest, but for the one who had surrendered. And when he saw the humble bamboo, bowed, patient, filled with silent devotion, he smiled and chose it. From that single bamboo, Krishna carved his flute, not with tools, but with divine love. This flute was no ordinary object. It had been waiting for many lifetimes just to be held by the Lord. When Krishna played his flute, the sound flowed like nectar through the air. Lord Brahma, the creator, was stunned into silence. Lord Shiva, lost in his cosmic dance, paused, eyes closed, heart still, as tears rolled down his cheeks. The melody touched not just the gods, but every being in all three worlds. Birds forgot to fly, rivers stopped to listen, stones softened, trees leaned in, even the wind seemed to hold its breath. All things moving and unmoving were mesmerized by the divine sound. The flute had become the voice of love itself. The scriptures say, after many births of devotion, a soul may be blessed to become a flute, an ankle bell, or even a garment of Lord Krishna. The bamboo had earned this grace through silence, service, and faith. This story is not just about a flute, it is about us. If we stay humble, if we serve quietly and wait with love, then even we, like the bamboo, may one day be chosen by the divine.
तृणादपि सुनीचेन तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिना मानदेन कीर्तनीयः सदा हरिः.
The bamboo was silent, but because of its devotion, it became the voice of Krishna himself. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe my channel for weekly soul stories on ancient wisdom, modern feelings, free delivery to your heart.